Dembell Motorhome. Imagine cruising on the road in a luxury yacht, with all the comfort and elegance of a modern vessel. That's what the Dembell Motorhome offers you, a high-end RV that combines the best of both worlds. The Dembell Motorhome is based on the Mercedes Actros chassis, powered by a 12.8-litre V12 engine with 530 horsepower. It has a sleek and clean exterior design, with hidden hinges, handles and windows, and red stripes as a trademark. It also comes with a matching Smart Fortwo car, painted in the same colors, that you can store in the rear garage. Inside, you will find a spacious and cozy living area with a full kitchen, a bathroom, a bedroom, and massaging seats. The interior is designed by one of Azimuth's designers, so it resembles an actual yacht. The Motorhome M model is customized with many optional extras, such as cutlery, glassware, and toiletries. The Dembell Motorhome is the ultimate land yacht, and it can be yours for $1 million. Bruder EXP7. A work of art in engineering and design, the Bruder EXP7 is more than just a camper trailer. An impressive vehicle capable of enduring any climate or terrain, it builds upon the strengths of its forerunners, the EXP6 and the EXP8. Whether you're embarking on a single adventure, a romantic getaway, or a family vacation, the EXP7 will provide you with unmatched luxury, practicality, and comfort. The EXP7's aerodynamic design enhances performance by decreasing drag. The innovative air suspension system gives you 12 inches of travel, so you can level the trailer and change the ride height to your liking. Equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, mud-terrain tires, and hydraulic disc brakes, it offers the best combination of traction and handling. The EXP7 combines the best of both worlds: off-road performance and elegance in a camper trailer. You can choose between a PT model with a roof lift system and a GT model with a stationary roof. Pricing begins at $160,250. Tesla CyberTruck. When compared to regular pickup trucks, the Tesla CyberTruck stands apart. As a futuristic beast, it is capable of tackling any obstacle and embarking on any journey. The sharp angles of its stainless steel body give it a futuristic appearance. Be not deceived by its outward look. Powerful features include a 2.6-second 0 to 60 mph time, a maximum range of 470 miles on a single charge, and the ability to tow up to 11,000 pounds. A 18.5-inch touchscreen, bulletproof glass, and a bed-mounted power pack that extends its range are just icing on the cake. Electric vehicles have never been more ideal for contemporary explorers than the Tesla CyberTruck. Plus, what's even better? As little as $61,240 will get you one. For a versatile truck, that's a steal. You can see into the future with the Tesla CyberTruck, because it is the truck of tomorrow. InTech O-V-R. This off-road vehicle-ready vehicle comes up to its name. This is no average travel trailer. This all-aluminum, completely welded cage and frame can survive extreme circumstances. High ground clearance, heavy-duty suspension, and off-road tires let the O-V-R go where other trailers can't. Besides being robust, the O-V-R is comfortable and elegant. A big and modern interior has all you need for a comfortable stay. The O-V-R has a queen bed, full kitchen, dinette, and bathroom. LED lights, USB connections, and ample storage are also included. Your O-V-R can be customized with choices and packages to meet your needs. 3 O-V-R models are Expedition, Navigate, and Adventure. Each model differs in length, weight, and layout. The Expedition, at $58,380, sleeps 5 and is the smallest and lightest. The mid-size Navigate sleeps 4 and costs $64,400. The Adventure, at $61,880, sleeps 6 and is the largest and heaviest. Newal P50. This vehicle is unparalleled in its level of refinement and sophistication. Sleek and modern, this engineering and design masterpiece features flush-mount windows, high-mount mirrors in the Euro style, and a door positioned in the center of the entrance. Step inside and discover a spacious and elegant living room, outfitted with a 65-inch TV, a Bose sound system, a full-size refrigerator, and a fireplace. Enjoy a spa-like experience in the back master bathroom, which boasts a large shower, a washer and dryer, and a sliding storage bed. The powertrain of the P50 features an Allison 4000 transmission, an independent front suspension by ZF, and a Cummins X15 engine. This combination makes for a reliable and comfortable ride. The P50 is more than a coach, it's an entire lifestyle. Obtain it for the pitiful sum of $2,399,000. Marathon Coach 1363. Marathon Coach 1363 is a luxurious motorhome with remarkable elegance, comfort, and performance. The 2024 model's H345 chassis boasts a double-slide configuration, powerful engine, and smooth ride. Its dark neutrals and blue accents stand out against the dreary sky. With white walls, brown and black furniture, and gentle accent lighting, the interior looks bright and airy. The coach's living room contains a fireplace, huge TV, and sofa bed. The galley has a fridge, stove, dishwasher, wine cooler, and pantry behind an illuminated art door. The bedroom contains a king-sized bed, 2 closets, and another TV. The bathroom features a toilet, sink, and sliding door shower. The bus features 4 more TVs, one outside, a bay fridge, and a high-end music system. With a 20-kilowatt generator, unique sewer system, automatic awning package, and Crestron control system, the coach is a masterpiece in motion. This luxurious coach costs $2,495,000, but it's worth it. Alkoven 1200. The Alkoven 1200 is more like a mobile palace than a motorhome. This plush ride has all the amenities of a hotel, plus a garage, for your convenience and pleasure. Take in breathtaking vistas from the comfort of your favorite sports vehicle as you cruise the globe in this luxurious RV with a slide-out couch. The Alkoven 1200 features a robust engine, cutting-edge driver support systems, and a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. A gourmet kitchen with a steam cooker, washing machine, flat-screen TVs, and king-size beds are all at your disposal in this tastefully decorated space. Additionally, the Alkoven 1200 has a fully insulated body, a solar rechargeable generator, and a state-of-the-art surveillance system. Those who travel with an eye for luxury, comfort, and independence will find this RV to be the pinnacle of their travel dreams. You may get your hands on an Alkoven 1200 for around €550,000. Starliner SL25. Look no farther than the Starliner SL25 if you are in search of a motorhome that seamlessly blends practicality, performance, and elegance. Featuring an Iveco daily chassis, a beautiful fiberglass body, and 2 slide-outs for additional storage, this breathtaking vehicle is sure to turn heads. With 2 queen-size beds, a full kitchen, a dinette, a living room, and a bathroom, the Starliner SL25 can sleep 4 comfortably. You also have the option of building a garage under the bedroom, giving you plenty of space to park and easily access your beloved sports car. A fully automated system, LED lights, a pop-up TV, a glass display cabinet, a steam stove, a washing machine, and more are all included on the Starliner SL25. If you value comfort and style while traveling in an RV, the Starliner SL25 is an excellent choice. Approximately €350,000 will get you the Starliner SL25. Becker Mercedes-Benz Jetvan. Transport yourself in style with the Becker Mercedes-Benz Jetvan, a van unlike any other. For the most discerning traveler, this exquisite vehicle provides the pinnacle of luxury, efficiency, and style. Envision yourself unwinding in a roomy cabin that has plush leather chairs, a complete entertainment system, a minibar, and a bathroom. Consider using the high-speed Wi-Fi to access your laptop and take in the breathtaking view through the panoramic windows. Alternatively, you may set up a world-class audiovisual system, a conference table, and a big screen to host a meeting. Whatever your travel demands may be, a family vacation, a business trip, or an experience of a lifetime, the Jetvan can meet them all. A dependable and adaptable van that can manage any road condition, the Jetvan is built on the chassis of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Though pricey, the Jetvan is well worth it. There is a price range of $200,000 to $450,000 for the Becker conversion. Winnebago Forza. It is possible that the Winnebago Forza is the ideal option for you if you are seeking for a Class A recreational vehicle that is both luxury and large. A powerful Cummins diesel engine and an Allison 6-speed transmission are the components that make up the Forza, which is constructed on a Freightliner XCS chassis. It provides sleeping and seating areas that are more versatile than ever before, and it provides different configuration possibilities to accommodate your requirements. The Forza is equipped with everything you could possibly require, including a king-size bed, a bunkhouse, a fireplace, and a laundry and dryer. Additionally, the Forza comes equipped with a kitchen and bathroom that have been tastefully constructed, a plenty of storage space, and modern entertainment systems. In the Winnebago Forza, you may experience the conveniences of home, even when you are away from home. The starting price of the Winnebago Forza is $359,765. Isuzu FTS 800. Isuzu FTS 800 4x4 trucks are tough and capable off-road, and the SLRV FTS 800 is built on them. The sumptuous 5.5 meters body may be customized with an electric lift-up bed, a big club area, a galley kitchen, a separate ensuite, and a Super King electric rooftop tent with internal access for more guests or youngsters. The SLRV FTS 800 has solar panels, batteries, water tanks, diesel heater, entertainment systems, satellite TV, mobile internet, and more to stay self-sufficient. You can also choose an induction stove, microwave oven, washer dryer, dishwasher, fridge or freezer, BBQ, and more. SLRV FTS 800 is a lifestyle, not just a car. This is your base camp, sanctuary, and home away from home. You may experience nature's beauty and diversity without sacrificing comfort and convenience. You can make lifelong memories there. The SLRV FTS 800 costs $608,141 currently. 2024 Newmar London Aire. When it comes to luxury motor coaches, nothing beats the 2024 Newmar London Aire in terms of elegance, performance, and comfort. It has a 50-inch LED TV, a fireplace, a full-size fridge, a dishwasher, a king-size bed, and 4 slide-outs, making it very roomy. A Cummins X engine with 605 horsepower and 1950 lb-ft of torque powers the London Aire. It is mated to an Allison 4000 mH transmission and rides on a Spartan chassis. In addition to the 150 gallons of fuel and water, the coach features a 15 gallons of DEF tank. A full paint masterpiece finish is available in a rainbow of colors and patterns on the London Aire. A 12.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan diesel generator, a 3000 watt inverter, and 8 house batteries make up the coach's cutting-edge electrical system. At a price point of $993,570, the London Aire is among the most costly and opulent motor coaches available. Mercedes Sprinter Delano. Luxury motorhomes like the Mercedes Sprinter Delano blend design, comfort, and performance. The Delano, based on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, offers a versatile and large living space for weekend excursions and prolonged vacations. 2 high-roof floor layouts with 170-inch wheelbases are available. The Delano has a full kitchen, dinette, flip-up queen bed, and bathroom. The fireplace entertainment center, solar charging system, and Rapid Camp Plus tech are all available. Rear-mounted electric motors create up to 201 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque in the Delano. On the European WLTP test cycle, the motor and 113 kilowatt lithium iron phosphate battery give 273 miles of range. Mercedes-Benz safety features include active braking and attentiveness assist, active lane keeping assist, wet wipers, and a distance regulator in the Delano. The Delano epitomizes elegance and convenience, starting at $201,450. VW Crafter Luxury Campervan. The VW Crafter Luxury Campervan may be your mobile home. This campervan combines luxury, convenience, and adventure. The roomy inside has a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom with shower and toilet, a back living and eating area that converts into a 2-person bed, and plenty of storage. Relax in the roof-mounted reverse cycle air conditioning system, watch your favorite shows on the 12-volt TV, or listen to the stereo. All-wheel drive, heavy-duty suspension, mechanical differential lock, and hill descent control make the VW Crafter luxury campervan ready for any terrain. You can even add a pop-up roof, solar panels, and external shower facilities. VW Crafter luxury campervans start at $133,390 before on-road charges in 3 models. The VW Crafter luxury campervan will make your outback, seaside, or city trip unforgettable.